When it comes to reliability, Japanese automakers have set the gold standard for decades. Their reputation for building vehicles that can withstand the test of time while delivering exceptional performance and value has made them the go-to choice for millions of drivers worldwide. As we look ahead to 2025 and 2026, the Japanese automotive industry continues to push boundaries while maintaining their core philosophy of reliability, quality, and innovation. In today's video, we're diving deep into the 6 most reliable Japanese SUVs that are defining the market in 2025 and 2026. These vehicles represent the pinnacle of Japanese engineering, combining cutting-edge technology with time-tested reliability that has made brands like Toyota, Honda, Mazda, and Subaru household names. Whether you're a family looking for a dependable daily driver, an adventure enthusiast seeking a capable off-road companion, or someone who simply wants a vehicle that will serve you faithfully for years to come, these SUVs deliver on all fronts. 1. Toyota RAV4. Leading our list is the Toyota RAV4, a vehicle that has redefined what it means to be a reliable compact SUV. The RAV4 has been a cornerstone of Toyota's lineup for decades, and the 2025-2026 models continue this legacy while incorporating significant technological advances and design improvements. Toyota's reputation for building vehicles that can easily surpass 200,000 miles with proper maintenance is exemplified in the RAV4, making it one of the most trusted choices in the compact SUV segment. The latest RAV4 models feature Toyota's robust 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, which delivers a perfect balance of power and efficiency. This naturally aspirated engine has been refined over years of development, resulting in exceptional reliability and minimal maintenance requirements. The engine produces adequate power for daily driving while maintaining impressive fuel economy figures that make it an economical choice for long-term ownership. Toyota's commitment to proven technology over flashy innovations means that RAV4 owners can expect consistent performance without the complexity that often leads to reliability issues in other vehicles. What truly sets the RAV4 apart is Toyota's meticulous approach to component selection and manufacturing processes. Every part, from the smallest sensor to major mechanical components, undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it can withstand the demands of daily use across various climates and driving conditions. The engine block and internal components are manufactured to tolerances that ensure smooth operation and longevity, while the cooling system is designed to maintain optimal operating temperatures even under stress. Toyota's Safety Sense suite comes standard across all RAV4 models, providing comprehensive safety features that protect occupants while contributing to the vehicle's overall reliability profile. The integration of these systems has been thoroughly tested and refined, ensuring they work seamlessly together without creating potential failure points. The RAV4's all-wheel drive system is particularly noteworthy for its simplicity and effectiveness, providing confident traction in various conditions without the complexity that can plague other systems. The interior of the RAV4 strikes an excellent balance between functionality and comfort. Toyota has focused on using materials and components that are built to last, rather than chasing the latest trends that might not stand the test of time. The infotainment system is intuitive and responsive, designed with user-friendly interfaces that minimize driver distraction. Climate control systems, electrical components, and even seemingly minor elements like door handles and switches are engineered to function reliably for years of regular use. From a maintenance perspective, the RAV4 shines with its accessible service points and reasonable maintenance costs. Toyota's extensive dealer network ensures that parts and service are readily available, while the vehicle's straightforward design means that routine maintenance can be performed efficiently. The RAV4's resale value remains strong, reflecting consumer confidence in its long-term reliability and the brand's reputation for quality. Independent reliability studies consistently rank the RAV4 among the most dependable vehicles in its class, with owners reporting minimal unscheduled repairs and exceptions. 2. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V stands as another pillar of reliability in the compact SUV segment, representing Honda's engineering philosophy of creating vehicles that seamlessly blend practicality with dependability. The CR-V has consistently ranked among the most reliable vehicles in its class, and the 2025-2026 models continue this tradition while introducing thoughtful improvements that enhance both performance and reliability. Honda's approach to the CR-V centers around their proven 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, which delivers impressive power while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. This engine has been extensively tested and refined, addressing earlier concerns about reliability while providing the performance that modern SUV buyers expect. The turbocharger system is designed for longevity, with robust components that can withstand the demands of daily driving without requiring frequent maintenance or repairs. Honda's engineers have implemented advanced cooling systems and oil management technologies that ensure the turbocharged engine maintains its reliability advantages even under extended highway driving or stop-and-go traffic conditions. The CR-V's continuously variable transmission represents Honda's commitment to smooth, efficient operation. While CVT technology has faced skepticism in some quarters, Honda's implementation has proven reliable through extensive real-world testing and continuous refinement. The transmission is designed to provide seamless power delivery while maximizing fuel efficiency, contributing to the vehicle's overall reliability profile through reduced mechanical complexity compared to traditional automatic transmissions. Honda's unique approach to CVT programming includes stepped shift points that provide a more familiar driving experience while maintaining the efficiency benefits of continuously variable operation. Honda's emphasis on interior quality and ergonomics is evident throughout the CR-V. The cabin features thoughtfully designed controls and storage solutions that enhance daily usability while maintaining the build quality that Honda is known for. The seats are designed for long-term comfort and durability, using materials that resist wear and maintain their appearance over time. Honda's infotainment system has been praised for its intuitive operation and reliable performance, avoiding the complexity that can lead to issues in other vehicles. The climate control system operates efficiently and quietly, with components selected for their ability to maintain consistent performance over years of regular use. The CR-V's safety credentials are equally impressive, with Honda Sensing coming standard across all trim levels. This comprehensive suite of safety technologies has been refined over years of development, ensuring reliable operation while providing crucial protection for occupants. The integration of these systems demonstrates Honda's commitment to holistic vehicle design, where safety and reliability work together to create a superior ownership experience. The adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation, and lane-keeping assist systems operate seamlessly, providing confidence-inspiring performance without the complexity that can lead to costly repairs. Maintenance and service costs for the CR-V remain competitive, with Honda's extensive dealer network providing accessible service and parts availability. The vehicle's design prioritizes serviceability, with easily accessible components that reduce labor costs for routine maintenance. This attention to practical ownership considerations reinforces the CR-V's position as a reliable, cost-effective choice for long-term ownership. Owner satisfaction surveys consistently highlight the CR-V's minimal repair requirements and exceptional reliability, with many owners reporting trouble-free operation well beyond 150,000 miles. 3. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 brings a unique perspective to the reliable Japanese SUV segment, combining Mazda's distinctive design philosophy with their renowned attention to build quality and reliability. Mazda's approach to the CX-5 emphasizes the harmony between driving dynamics and long-term dependability, creating a vehicle that delivers an engaging experience while maintaining the reliability that Japanese vehicles are known for. Mazda's Skyactiv G engine technology powers the CX-5, representing years of development focused on achieving optimal efficiency and reliability. The naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine delivers smooth, responsive power while maintaining impressive fuel economy figures. Mazda's commitment to naturally aspirated engines reflects their belief in proven technology that prioritizes reliability over complexity. This approach has resulted in an engine that requires minimal maintenance while providing consistent performance throughout its lifespan. The Skyactiv engine architecture incorporates advanced combustion chamber designs and optimized compression ratios that maximize efficiency while ensuring long-term durability. The CX-5's transmission options, including both manual and automatic variants, showcase Mazda's dedication to providing choices that suit different driving preferences while maintaining reliability standards. The automatic transmission features smooth operation and intelligent shift programming that enhances both performance and longevity. Mazda's all-wheel drive system, when equipped, provides confident traction without unnecessary complexity, ensuring reliable operation in various driving conditions. The iActive all-wheel drive system continuously monitors road conditions and adjusts power distribution accordingly, providing enhanced traction when needed while maintaining fuel efficiency during normal driving. Interior quality in the CX-5 reflects Mazda's commitment to craftsmanship and attention to detail. The cabin features premium materials and thoughtful design elements that create an upscale environment while maintaining the durability expected from a reliable SUV. Mazda's infotainment system emphasizes simplicity and functionality, with intuitive controls that minimize distractions while providing reliable operation. The climate control system, electrical components, and various comfort features are designed to maintain their performance over years of regular use. Mazda's approach to interior design focuses on creating an environment that feels premium while using materials selected for their ability to withstand daily wear and maintain their appearance over time. The CX-5's structural integrity is another key factor in its reliability profile. Mazda's Skyactiv body construction uses high-strength steel strategically placed throughout the vehicle to create a rigid, lightweight structure that enhances both safety and durability. This attention to structural engineering ensures that the CX-5 maintains its solid feel and quiet operation even after years of use, while also contributing to excellent crash protection ratings. Mazda's approach to safety in the CX-5 includes their iActiveSense suite of safety technologies, which provides comprehensive protection while maintaining the reliability standards that define the brand. These systems are integrated seamlessly into the vehicle's design, ensuring they enhance safety without creating potential failure points that could compromise long-term reliability. The radar and camera systems that enable these features are positioned and calibrated to provide consistent operation while minimizing exposure to environmental factors that could affect their performance. The CX-5's maintenance requirements are straightforward and cost-effective, with Mazda's growing dealer network providing accessible service and parts availability. The vehicle's design prioritizes ease of maintenance with accessible service points and durable components that reduce the frequency and cost of repairs. This practical approach to ownership reinforces the CX-5's position as a reliable choice for buyers who value both performance and dependability. Long-term ownership studies consistently show the CX-5 maintaining its performance and reliability characteristics well beyond typical ownership periods, with minimal degradation in driving dynamics or component reliability. 4. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester represents a unique approach to SUV reliability, combining Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive capability with their commitment to building vehicles that can handle demanding conditions while maintaining dependable operation. The Forester's design philosophy centers around providing confident capability in all weather conditions while delivering the reliability that has made Subaru a trusted name among outdoor enthusiasts and practical families alike. Subaru's horizontally opposed boxer engine configuration powers the Forester, providing a low center of gravity that enhances stability and handling while contributing to the vehicle's overall reliability profile. This engine design has been refined over decades, resulting in smooth operation and dependable performance. The boxer engine's balanced design reduces vibrations and stress on components, contributing to longer engine life and reduced maintenance requirements. The Forester's standard all-wheel drive system is perhaps its most distinctive feature, providing constant traction to all four wheels without the complexity of part-time systems. This full-time all-wheel drive configuration ensures reliable traction in all conditions, while maintaining the simplicity that contributes to long-term reliability. Subaru's commitment to making all-wheel drive standard across their lineup reflects their belief in providing capability without compromise. Interior space and versatility are hallmarks of the Forester, with a cabin designed to accommodate both daily commuting and outdoor adventures. Subaru has focused on creating an environment that combines comfort with durability, using materials and components that can withstand the demands of active lifestyles while maintaining their appearance and functionality over time. The infotainment system emphasizes practical functionality, with reliable operation and intuitive controls that minimize distractions. Subaru's EyeSight driver assistance technology comes standard on the Forester, providing comprehensive safety features that enhance protection while maintaining the reliability standards that define the brand. These systems have been extensively tested and refined, ensuring they provide reliable operation while contributing to the vehicle's overall safety profile. The integration of these technologies demonstrates Subaru's commitment to holistic vehicle design that prioritizes both capability and reliability. The Forester's maintenance and service requirements reflect Subaru's commitment to practical ownership. The vehicle's design prioritizes accessibility for routine maintenance, with service points that are easily reached and components that are built to last. Subaru's dealer network provides knowledgeable service and readily available parts, ensuring that Forester owners can maintain their vehicles efficiently and cost-effectively. 5. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander represents Toyota's approach to three-row SUV reliability, combining the space and capability that families need with the dependability that has made Toyota a trusted name worldwide. The Highlander's design philosophy centers around providing practical functionality while maintaining the reliability standards that define Toyota's approach to vehicle development. Toyota's powertrain options for the Highlander include both traditional gasoline and hybrid variants, both engineered to provide reliable performance while accommodating the demands of three-row SUV duty. The gasoline engine delivers adequate power for towing and highway driving while maintaining reasonable fuel economy for its size. The hybrid system represents Toyota's decades of experience in hybrid technology, providing exceptional fuel efficiency while maintaining the reliability that Toyota hybrids are known for. The Highlander's interior design emphasizes functionality and comfort across all three rows, with thoughtful storage solutions and user-friendly controls that enhance daily usability. Toyota has focused on creating a cabin that can accommodate the demands of family life while maintaining the build quality and durability that contribute to long-term reliability. The infotainment system provides comprehensive connectivity and entertainment options, while maintaining the intuitive operation that minimizes driver distraction. Toyota's approach to safety in the Highlander includes their comprehensive Safety Sense suite, providing advanced safety features that protect occupants while maintaining the reliability standards that define the brand. These systems are integrated seamlessly into the vehicle's design, ensuring they enhance safety without creating complexity that could compromise long-term dependability. The Highlander's all-wheel drive system, when equipped, provides confident traction in various conditions while maintaining the simplicity that contributes to reliable operation. Toyota's approach to all-wheel drive emphasizes effectiveness over complexity, ensuring that the system provides capability when needed while remaining unobtrusive during normal driving conditions. Maintenance and service considerations for the Highlander reflect Toyota's commitment to practical ownership. The vehicle's design prioritizes accessibility for routine maintenance, with service points that are easily reached and components that are built to last. Toyota's extensive dealer network ensures that parts and service are readily available, while the vehicle's straightforward design means that maintenance can be performed efficiently and cost-effectively. These 6 Japanese SUVs represent the pinnacle of reliability in the 2025-2026 model years, each bringing unique strengths while maintaining the core values that have made Japanese vehicles the gold standard for dependability. From the compact versatility of the RAV4 and CR-V to the 3-row capability of the Highlander and Pilot, these vehicles demonstrate that reliability doesn't require sacrificing performance, comfort, or modern features. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive content that helps you make informed decisions about your next vehicle purchase. Have you owned any of these Japanese SUVs? Share your experiences in the comments below and let us know which one you think offers the best combination of reliability and value for your needs.